So good morning students. So this is our next lecture of science. The chapter name is force and pressure. So first topic is the this is our last topic, factors affecting atmospheric pressure. So first factor that is affecting the atmospheric pressure is height. Suppose this is surface of earth and height go on increasing. Okay, here the air will be less, here the air will be more. So the pressure due to air at a less height will be more, and at a higher height it will be less. Amount of air at a higher height decreases, so the pressure at a higher height is less as compared to a pressure at a lower height. So amount of air decreases with the height. So atmospheric pressure decreases with the height. So this is first factor. Second concept is temperature. So temperature. Suppose this is surface of earth. Temperature increases, this air will become hot, and hot air always rises up. Hot air always rises up. So all this air will rise up, amount of air near the surface of earth will reduce. So atmospheric pressure is going to reduce with increase in temperature. So temperature increases, air becomes hot, and hot air is less heavy or light, you can say light. It rises up, so amount of air near surface reduces. So atmospheric pressure reduces. Okay. Third concept is humidity. What is the humidity? Water vapor present in the air. So what is humidity? Amount of water vapor in air is humidity. If water vapors are more in air, humidity is more. If water vapors are less in air, humidity is less. So these water vapors, they are in the gas form, na? That means they are a part of air. So they also contribute to atmospheric pressure. इनकी वजह से भी atmospheric pressure होगा. But water vapors, they are very light. They are light than air and they rise up. Suppose this is surface of earth and there are too many water vapors near the surface of earth. They are lighter than air, they rise up. And when they rise up, the air molecules near the surface of earth reduces. So atmospheric pressure is going to reduce as the humidity increases. Water vapors आर लाइटर देन एयर, हल्के होते हैं, एंड राइज अप, so number of air molecules near the surface reduces. So atmospheric pressure reduces. So next topic is application of atmospheric pressure. So what is the first application? Suppose this is sea, this is water. Okay. The pressure at A point of C and the pressure at B. B is at bottom or near the upper surface. A is near the upper surface. The pressure at B will be more as compared to A. The pressure at the bottom of C is more as compared to the upper surface. So a diver which is going deep into the sea, a lot of atmospheric pressure will act on his body. So a diver which is going deep into the sea, a lot of pressure will act on his body, so he may get hurt. So he wears special suits in order to avoid such a huge pressure. So this is the first application of atmospheric pressure. A sea diver wear special suit in order to protect himself from the huge pressure of sea acting at the bottom. So this is the first application of air pressure. The question can be asked, why a sea diver wears special suits? So he wants to protect his body from the huge pressure that is applied by the sea at the bottom level. So second application is, suppose a person is drinking the Pepsi with the help of a straw. This is straw. He is drinking Pepsi. Okay. So what happens when he inhale the straw, और when he suck the straw, ऊपर खींचने को कहते हैं suck the straw, he pulls all the air present inside the straw. वो बाहर खींच लेता है सारी हवा को. So less pressure will act inside the straw, but more air pressure is acting on the surface of Pepsi. So Pepsi will get pushed into the straw. जब पर्सन सक करता है तो जब पर्सन इसको सक करता है ना, तो सारी एयर वो उसमें से रिमूव कर देता है, तो अंदर एयर प्रेशर रिड्यूस हो जाता है, पर बाहर से जो एयर पेप्सी के ऊपर प्रेशर लगा रही है वो ज़्यादा है, तो उसी की वजह से पेप्सी पुश हो जाता है इनटू द स्ट्रॉ एंड वी आर एबल टू ड्रिंक द पेप्सी विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ स्ट्रॉ. So when we suck the straw, air inside the straw is removed out. Okay, so pressure inside straw reduces, but large pressure is acting on the liquid. But large pressure is acting on liquid. So liquid will be pushed into the straw. So we are able to drink Pepsi with the help of straw using the concept of atmospheric pressure. So this is the second application of atmospheric pressure. So this is all for today. You will have the next concepts in the next lecture. Thank you. Have a nice day.